Do you care of your life? Are you really care about your family? Do you care of food you are eating? Or do you care about how the world is going? I am scared, as Pastor says, about how the world is, the speed that the world is going on. Sins are easy now, are simplified. It's hard. Now it's easy for someone just to just with your phone, your device. It was hard earlier to know the different conditions that we know. Those conditions were there. It was hard. The question is, do you care? Where we are walking in this world, Europe, life is simple, to be easy. Europe, easy. House, you have 2 in 1 month. If you are single, you will not get a house.
Do you care?
Do you care? The way things are going. How my brother passed away. We were living together. We were selling in a bigger market. He enjoyed life. Although giving money for food, he was selling in the supermarket. So after finishing, he would give food to his girlfriend. And they would bring food in his own house. If he buys, you tell you go and bring it to his wife. But his wife cooks and everything ready. You will not eat it because you come home late. You come home late, 2 o'clock. What people eat is not there when children are. The one thing he knew when he woke up, he would ask his children, did you eat? Even if you didn't go to school, it didn't matter. Even if you didn't feel great, it's not his matter. Even he never bring a child to hospital. But he knew food should come. His children have to eat. He ask you, did you eat? He would care about food for his kids. He would not care about how children will be brought up. It's not only about food. Really, the life of those kids, how are they growing up? His name was Jose.
Il faut qu'on repasse.
He likes iron. He like
tellement sera repasser pantalon na e.
No, the iron. You see the line here. Smashed. He could not miss the concert of Zyko.
jamais bosana otinda biloko oliana ndako na ye.
He never forgot about sending food.
Bana fo balia.
He made sure his children were well fed.
Tala koma ezalaki vie ya mutu azoke.
That was the life of someone who cares.
Yo poko care pour la famille na yo.
You can also care about your household.
Ndeni yo care pour la famille.
But the problem is, how do you care about it?
Tu veux qu'on a livre 1 Samuel chapitre 15.
We learn in the book of 1 Samuel chapter 15.
Ya moto suka ki dimanche passé.
That's where we ended last week.
Tu veux qu'on a ki ndenge nini.
We learned how
Saul Nzamba tindiye.
he was assigned
Aboma
to destroy
banyama nyonso
cattle
na peuple nyonso
and all the people,
ba Amalekite.
the Amalekites.
Balobi atika mutu te.
He couldn't spare anybody,
Ata bebe.
even the infants.
Aboma nyonso.
He destroyed everything.
Raison Nzamba lobaki yango.
The reason why God gave those instructions,
Po peuple wana
because those people,
batelemelaki Israël.
they mocked Israel.
Baboyaki kolekisa bana Israël.
They didn't want to give them
Tango
away.
babimi na Egypte.
When they get out of Egypt,
Bazokima.
they were fleeing.
Bakati me.
They crossed the
Bazangi
sea.
mboka.
They had no.
Sikona nzela na bango akokende.
So in their way along,
Ifale bayamba bango.
they didn't welcome them.
Bana Israël babimaki bazalaki ebele.
People of Israel were so many.
E peuple wana ba Amalekite.
Amalekite people.
Baboyi koyamba bana
They
Israël.
refused to welcome them.
Basalisa bango bitumba.
So they fought against them.
Babloka bana
So
Israël.
they blocked
Bamenasa bana
them. They
Israël.
threatened them.
Alors etikalaki na mutu wa Nzambe.
God
Que un jour
never forgot
il faut
about.
avenger makambo basala.
God would revenge what they
Oyebeza
did
makambo
to
su
Israel.
basala yo.
There are some things they
Oyo
did
lobaka
to
eske
you.
Nzambe azomona te
You
bato
ask
makambo basala
yourself, did
nga.
really God see what people
Na
have
yebiso
done
Nzambe
to me?
azomona makambo basala
I tell you,
yo.
God sees
Me
everything.
mukolo moko
One day,
Nzambe akovange
one God
na makambo nyonso bato basala
will
kayo.
stand and get
Me
revenge.
yo zala na kimia pe
Be
confiance na Nzambe.
silent
Elekaki ba
and trust
mikolo
God.
ebele.
Many years left by,
E atindi bakende kuna
and
bobunda.
he sent so to destroy them.
Ekobunda wana ezalaki so makasi ya bana Israel.
And this were not the strength of
Makasi ya ye
Israel,
moko Nzambe akotisi na
the
bango.
strength of God
Po
himself.
domine bo gagner bango.
He said, dominate
Abiboboma
them,
nyonso.
dominate them and kill them
Ntango
all.
bakomi kuna
When they came there,
fale baboma nyonso.
they had to kill everything.
Saul o bapesaki mission
That was a sign.
abandi kopona.
He started to select
Bangombe nyonso ya mafuta
fat cattle, cow,
atie na panzi.
puts aside.
Bameme nyonso ya mafuta ya
All the
kitoko
sheep
atie na panzi.
put aside for him.
Oyo nyonso ya mike oyo
All
bakonda
slim.
yango nde ya bomaki.
That's what
Azwi
he killed.
nyonso wana ya mafuta
He took everything that was fat.
ake na bango.
He took them with him.
Abomi batu nyonso na
He
mboka
killed
wana.
everybody in that city.
Me atiki kaka mutu moko.
But he spared one person,
Roi
the king,
Agag.
Agag.
Abomi mwasi ya roi.
He killed
Abomi bana roi.
he killed the king's children.
Me aboyo boma roi.
But he spared the king.
Azwi roi ake na ye.
He took him.
Mama yere na bi ake na kikakati. O balobaki na boma nyonso.
He said you have to kill everything.
Nebite semoni ezwaki ye atambulaka na roi.
What took him over?
Nebite roi na lobaki na ye makambo nini.
We don't know what that king
Oyo esalaki aboma ye te.
what that king told him.
Abatela ya bakokende ye na ye na
How come
panzi.
he had to spare him?
Balobi boma nyonso.
You were told to kill everything.
E Nzambe ayebisi na prophète Samuel.
And God told Samuel the prophet,
Ayebisi kende koloba na Saul.
go and tell Saul
Makambo nga natindaki ye.
what I told him to
Yango
do.
ya salite.
He did the opposite. Now I'm gonna take him off from the throne. I wanna put somebody else. Because he disobeyed me.
Et dans verset 22, dans le chapitre 15, il y a 1 Samuel, chapitre 15, dans verset 22,
15, verse 22.
Bible Zoloba,
The Bible said,
l'obéissance,
the obedience
vaut mieux que
is better than the sacrifice.
Soko respectera non gâté.
If you don't respect me,
Ato yelingai 4 chaussures.
even if you bring 4 pair of shoes,
il faut une obéissance.
the first thing is obedience. What's the good thing? They don't obey you, but they tell people. They tell people it's our dad, it's our church. But in reality, do you care? You are not caring. He was told to kill everything, but he has selected. How often we do select what God has instructed you to do, but you choose to do what you want to do. I'll give you example. He said we have a fasting for all church, but you decide not to fast because you work. Or you start questioning, is really God who told us to do this fasting? Struggle.
Vous inquiétez donc point et ne dites pas que mangerons-nous.
So do not worry, saying, what shall we eat?
De quoi serons-nous vêtus? Car toutes choses,
what shall we wear?
Ce sont les païens.
Because of those things. The pagan run after
le royaume des cieux.
Seek for
ne vous inquiétez donc pas du lendemain.
Don't worry about tomorrow.
Le lendemain aura soin de lui.
For tomorrow will worry about itself. You worried about your life. Which life? World. Which clothes? With design are you gonna dress? Some people still in Europe, they look for New Year. You're gonna even steal in the shop. Just to dress on the 31st or on New Year. For people just to show off. To show off. So you struggle for nothing. You never thinking about how will you get there, but you're planning even to go and steal.
Est-ce que c'est ok? Na vie na yo n'est ok.
You care about
le 31.
You think on the 31st?
Don't you think
it's the day to you have to worship God?
Do you care?
Doing evil. Do you care?
Toutes ces choses.
All the things that we are worried about. Only pagan who run after them. Worry about the 31st. I've seen somebody, he didn't turn up in the church because he had no clothes. Remember how you were in Gaza. Did you have the wardrobe in your house? Remember. Remember the wardrobe in your back.
Mal, yes. Oyo bampese banda okota.
Suitcase.
Erbuga botembu bampese boye byango. Ena son sabiso su ya ukansa malamu nzambe.
Just want you to take you back again and remember.
Osombi mbuma valise otie. Po bampese batoboli bilamba.
Those suitcases still.
They
are saying, I don't have clothes, I can't turn up to church. Really? Let me tell you, I care about this. It's not a church for showing off.
Église est à la place ya modité. Il y a pas de la griffe na bangote non. Là te lamba na yo kumi sanzambe. Mais so lamba na yo linge même sabatu na ngomba na ngambu. Yo muto okende. Église ekende te etikala yo okende.
It's not about design. It's not about show.
Et lamba no Bible lo biso ki loboko moko.
The Bible says you need to take it to hell. Cut it. You want to bring us all in hell. It's you who will go. About. Yeah. Sapology. Yeah. Everything will pass.
Est-ce que vous care
where you will be when if Jesus stands now? If Jesus comes now, where will Jesus meet you? That's what the song says.
Est-ce que vous connaissez ça?
Do you think about
it? Dans un message dans Facebook avec TV, ndegomwa kufi ana Birmingham les sous.
Avec TV.
J'ai le mot wa kufi ana Birmingham lobby.
Yes, a youngster has passed away in Birmingham here.
Mo wa kufi déjà na West Bromwich akenda Kinshasa. Abeli malaria kufi na Kinshasa.
West Brom, he went to Kinshasa, he falls sick and passed.
Na ebité bemba mo ke ya wato bakundia on déjà na Kinshasa.
I don't know if they will bring the corpse here. Just bury him.
Another
one has passed away, has died in London. Just in arms of
ambulance
when the paramedic came,
moi ça lui azoko lobate ba question ni beli botuna e botuna ngamu tunazaki na ile banda tolana ki ngana expliquer bino
with so many questions in there.
Bakoma.
The man passed away.
Voilà témoignage moi c'est un
That's a testimony from his wife.
Avec kufi na hôpital tena ndam kaka. Kaka bazotuna ba question belebele.
Just in her hand.
Type elekeli na mwana.
We're asking funny questions.
Okay, pour la vie na yo.
Care for your own life.
It's
not the kind of message we should preach. Just in the presence of Lord. It's not about drinking alcohol that will resolve your problem. Oh, the mixture of alcohol, beer, whiskey, drugs. We never. Many issues in my life. Worst my time.
Comment tu comprends le ticket tu passer par moment mon kobo on zabe muta bomba biso.
How do we?
Atena meri na ngati na nsambe lo wote.
It's only God who look after us.
Est-ce que tu okay?
That's the main question.
Muto melane so kasisa kena yo tikali
share the beer or whiskey or whatever.
So you now relate pour makamu ngase na melela likola makamu.
If you never wept,
a
problem.
Babeti yote, basimbi yote yo mo leli yo.
Never wept in your room.
C'est mon monde qui a émission longola tika kolela. Yo moka moni era aussi c'est koki aussi si pe kolela.
Somebody.
Mutu ta émission silisa.
Somebody to comfort.
Donc on bandi yo mo kolela. Ikolo makambo. Hotel yango nzambe nange. Na suka wapi bandi. Tango sisi kolela. Ba émission te sisa yo mo moni ke fo silisa. Aussi si yo moko.
Yeah. They give you tissue. Wipe your tears.
Tous on a la conscience.
Let's come back in ourselves.
Ce sont des choses où on païen ça.
All these stuff are pagan that run after them.
Souci à mon kili.
The worry of this world. Marriage is about to be split. Because the woman told the husband that when we get married,
il faut louer un avion, private jet.
Should rent a private jet.
Et
that jet will take us where it will land. The man could not afford. The man could not afford. Yeah. The man could not afford the jet. Even the small, even two people jet.
Papa na ya mema ene hélicoptère te. Na nga memisa mobali abatu hélicoptère.
Ask something to
taba ndoto watu bayaka nango. Ndoto wana esala ke libala wana vivre malamu te.
Those kind of dreams
mobali yango azokoka te.
Will bring down the marriage because the man can't afford it.
Babi ndekalia kanini?
The birds.
Kokina mbongo na ye.
What is up to his mouth?
Baloba ne mote na sala na bank. Yo sala na bank.
Yo.
Alors ma témoignage oh moto na nzambe suka ba ndote ya c'est yo faux de délivrance.
Need deliverance.
C'est yo sala na bank.
You work at bank.
Yo na bank ozana. Ote na sala kana kesa abi bon zo beta tolo mutasala na bank na kesa za ndenge mona mutateka na Tesco.
I work at the till
shop azozo bambonga.
I work at the till.
Ozo pesa ba biloko.
Our reception. You don't give.
You zo basa na bank ndenge kutu yo mutozo bambonga bank. Okotsa muzo ikote nini?
You are not
ya ngoni ko bomela ni bana yo. Ba ndo zo ngisa memoire na yi.
They start just to
afuka me ba ndo.
Remind in
That's how
the world can break up your marriage. Humble yourself. Jesus Christ humbled himself. He was God. Humble yourself and God will raise you up. Some places that this is our system. It's not about you.
Mais za sikoyo na liboso ba kolongolo place oyo bakona o bazali bazo biso mwa muke na sima na si fetwa na pepe biwa na kado po yake na mona kena ngaka ba considérer ngati mikiti sa nzamba tombola.
Humble yourself, God will raise you up. The question is, do you care? Some people know how they will know how. They know the starter. And they know how they will finish it. In the worldly way. The night prayer, you'll be good.
Mais soyez sili.
After the night
Et
prayer,
puis tant que pas na biso ayé na bilamba ya biso. O biso to ki parata
even the dressing,
Tango akende kuna kela te bakangama.
when you will go where they will finish.
Yango kelati na siko kote na bango ebe na
Yeah.
bango.
You know those kind of
Bino yebi kangama.
dress.
Ba body. Bon, tikana lo bana ndingi na bino apoto ba body.
Yeah. Baserko.
Ba serko voilà. Ya ndingi na bino. Ya ona zo ba wana ndingi na bino. Siko pa na biso bakangama.
Body.
Donc awa lati ndenge mususu. Bozali na l'église. Mais tant que tu souffres même sous la question à côté ango.
You were different.
À combien de personnes?
Two faces. One person.
Comment on peut s'enfuir dans le salle belé? Quel a un kimia lobo que musala?
Go back home. Go and have more sleep.
Raisonner vina yo to bandia ne kine raisonner.
Think about the coming year. How gonna plan about the year coming ahead.
So anongara senga kiyo. Ane oya na senga yote. So pesinga tetali yo. Na senga yote ane oya.
If I did ask you this year, I will not ask you again. I will not be mourning.
Na souffrir les besoins zamba oye bangana kozalawana.
I'll be in front of God. Jesus will be the solution of my worry.
Est-ce que c'est ok? Et comment à son bassin va aimer les autres régniers? Dieu peut aimer la somba, Dieu peut aimer.
Remember those cars. He put the fuel. He had no money for fuel. What's wrong with the cars? He walking. I have no money. It's all about caring about life.
You
know someone who died and left debt. Yeah. Because he left debt. But when he was collecting those loans and debts, but he passed away. To take those the woman started mourning, crying because the man collected so many debts. And those, which humiliation is that? The things that you are doing today, it will impact your children. Evil things you are doing to kids, children. Yeah, who cursed. Yeah. Those ants were cursed. Yeah, there was a seed. And that today, the person has passed away. The kids are collecting. Someone just took or evicted somebody's family house.
Jamais. So if
you are aunt or uncle, if your friend, your brother has left house, leave that to their children. Don't get involved. If you care, just bless your brother's children. The worry, the desire you have, don't say that. Nobody is born to suffer.
So it's okay.
If you care, think about your tomorrow. Not just today. Plan your tomorrow because you will not be there. The money you collect, here and there in your muziki.
One day,
there's no English. People will choose what to dress us up in the coffin.
Tout. Oyo monaki penzo sape ya somo ya dire ya she.
All your jantons.
Ba otiamoti.
They will select
ba oswamo
what to dress you up.
On vit qu'une seule fois.
The world say we live.
La Bible lobby, on vit qu'une seule fois. Après la mort, vient le jugement.
Bible say we
live once. On vivre
after death. After you are buried, you will pass through judgment. Don't think it's over. There is judgment. You may mock. They will ask you accountability. Didn't you hear what the pastor preached?
Do you care? Pastor,
it's about making you laugh.
Jean chapitre 6 dans Suksawana.
John chapter 6.
Non, 12. Jean chapitre 12.
John chapter 12.
Verset 1 à 6.
1.
Dans Suksawana. Jean chapitre 6.
John chapter
12, sorry, yes.
John 12. Gospel of John.
Jean. Chapitre 12.
John 12.
Verset 1 à 6.
1 to 6.
Ces jours avant la Pâque, Jésus arriva à Béthanie où était Lazare. Il avait ressuscité des morts. Là, on lui fit un souper. Marthe servait et Lazare était l'un de ceux qui se trouvaient à table avec lui. Marie ayant pris une livre de parfums, des nards, pire de grand prix, oignit les pieds de Jésus et elle lui essuya les pieds avec ses cheveux. Et la maison fut remplie de l'odeur du parfum. Un de ses disciples, Kombonenani, Judas Iscariot, fils de Simon, celui qui devrait le livrer, dit: pourquoi n'a-t-on pas vendu ce parfum? 300 deniers. Combien? Judas a connaissé, il a pris. Donc parfum, on a ce faux, il faut combien? 300 deniers. Mais il y a maintenant ça accompagné par parfum. C'est ok. Pour revise, book nabino. Pour prepare exam nabino.
Revise the book if you care about your future.
About YouTube people,
about YouTube, Snapchat.
Waste time, nabino.
Time wastage and poor grade. But if they're conscious, you will drop your phone. Those videos. Look at the houses. Posh. Look in your flat. Look how your mom worked so hard. Just sit there watching those videos.
It's okay.
I know God knew the wage of all the
Ayebi ba futa ba on combien?
The footballer.
So ni mobaka tonto il gagne 80,000 na week.
Yeah.
Mais comment que quand on monte moi ya munene ndemo na
the wage of footballers. Think about your own life. Don't take me.
If you take me 1 hour
over the phone, I will tell you at the end. Don't take that much time over the phone.
Combien de personnes à 1 heure de temps? Faut calculer yo moko. Over
the phone. You end up slandering.
Tango sisi makamba malamu esili. Obeti pululu. Okominani.
Finish.
Tina kabila otongiye. So olongo ke wapi? Taba masumu.
Yeah, politics.
Control language.
Sport.
Okay.
Yes, the mouth that speaks a lot always end up sinning. Let's just take time and meditate.
Saul. O Zamba lingaji ba pambola ye ba tombola ye roi, mais désobéissance na ye ba évacuer le sous roate.
You want to be like Saul.
Na lingi petoza lokwa Judas. O ebe pris à parfum.
Judas Iscariot, who knew the price of the parfum.
Mais pas na suscité à ba pauvre.
But he didn't worry about the poor.
If
you have something to share with me, I will share with you.
Lobby prière à l'heure du Seigneur Ezali.
Please prayer tomorrow.
À 21h.
Over the phone.
Mais mardi Ezate.
9, but not Tuesday.
Et mercredi Ezate. Pour mardi à Motopana veillé à le 31.
Because Tuesday we are here for night prayer.
Et prière jeudi à l'heure du Seigneur Ezali. Na téléphone.